Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I made some hidden paper clips with my page tabs. I also made some hidden paper clips with my paper fringe heart shape embellishments. Now these are the paper fringe heart shape that I made. I did a video and a tutorial as well and showed you guys how you could make these. I've seen these on Instagram and on YouTube, and I wanted to have a go and make some myself, and they turned out really cute. And I think these are great for projects. I ended up putting some of these and listed them in my Etsy store if you'd like to purchase these, and they're ready for you to make as well. But I did use these for the hidden paper clip as well as these page tabs, which you could also purchase in my store as well. You get a random pack of printed page tabs. So I use these to make with the clips, and I'll show you what they look like. So these are the heart shape paper fringe. You can see, you can't see the clip in the front, but you can see it at the back because you need that to hold it in place on your pages. So you can see, you can't see it. So when you have your paper clip on your, say on your page like this, it shows this part here, but with the hidden clip you don't see it. As you can see with this one, you can't see the clip, and it just makes it look neat, and it also decorates your pages. This one here is the page tab one that I made, which will go in my, well, it will go in my traveler's notebook, and I'll show you when it's placed in the pages. But how cute do they look? This one here is Embellishments by Coco and Reno. And then again, you can't see the clip here on the front of the embellishments. And that's the back. I also made this one here. It's really adorable, so cute. I've fussy cut this bear as well, and that's the back. I'll show you what it looks like in the pages. If you haven't seen these hidden paper clips, there are out there on YouTube as well. With tutorials, but I wanted to make my one with these page tabs, so I'll show you how to do these. But I'll just open up a page just so you can see how it looks like and the difference with the 3 different clips. Well, this is the heart fringe shape. When you place it on your page, it just sits like that. Look how adorable and decorative it looks on your page. And you can't see the clip, and you just see the nice embellishment. I mean, the back will still have that showing, but that's to be. And this is the other one, which I just placed that up here. It's just so cute. And you can then also place it on the side here if you like. And I think these would make great gifts for teachers, as a Happy Mail gift for your crafty friend, for those that do planners or junk journal. Now that's how I wanted to place my one on a page. See the tabs on the top, whereas with the heart it was sitting more lower onto the page. And when I closed my traveler's notebook, sorry that was a bit loud, you can see the tab peeking out on the top, and that's what I wanted it to do, so that I could, I'm just trying to grab that, so I could label the tabs with my months or as a page marker. And you can also then place it on the side here if you like, and you can move it around, and you can have a whole heap of them lined up on your pages, whereas these ones here are already adhered to the page. So that's that one. And then this one here is another one. It just looks really decorative on your pages. And this one here is a plain one. You'll see the difference with this one as well when I place it on the page. It's so noisy. So it sits nice and flush on the page, as you can see. It's really neat, and it also just gives a nice decorative page to your page. And that's how that one looks like. So I'm going to show you how to make these. This is a laminated traveler's notebook that I've got. I love this so much. It's got a lot of places for me to work with. So I'm going to put that there. Now what we're going to do first, we'll make this one here first. And what's great with this project, you can use any scrap papers that you have. It's very easy to make. You can see here, look, I have made quite a few ready for me to use, and I can just embellish it and then it's ready to place in my pages. This one here, I punched a little heart. And this one here, I use my decorative scissors to decorate the bottom part here. So these are just some more. That's the back. These are all the front. All right, so we'll move them to the side. So you'll need 2 pieces of paper, scrap paper, whatever you like, and some paper clips. This is, I think, the 33mm size. It's a standard size paper clip. I'm not too sure what it is in inches, but it's a 33mm size. And now we're going to grab this one here. So with your 2 pieces of paper, if you want the same measurements as mine, this one here, I've cut it at 1 5/8 of an inch by 2 inches. And you can have them any size you like or any shape. But we're going to first decide if it's double-sided paper, which part you're going to show on the back. In my case, I'm going to have this one showing as my back. And with your clip, the clip can either have the longer length or there is a shorter length. You can decide which one you want showing on your back. Either way, it doesn't matter, it'll still work. But I'll place this one here as my back. You'll need some double-sided tape because you want to adhere the paper clip so it won't move. So we're going to turn it this way because I'm going to have that showing. We're going to turn this way, and I'm going to place that onto the clip so it won't move. I'm just making sure your paper clip stays in the center of your edge and that the clip is nice and flush with your paper as well. When you've got that already there, mine's not centered, but that's okay. You're going to grab some good strong liquid glue and you're going to apply all around the paper and also on the top of your clip. Then you grab the piece that you want showing on the front, which will be this piece here, and you place that on top of that. Just press it down. And just line everything up. And that does your hidden paper clip, and then you can just embellish that and have fun decorating. And I'll just show you. Then you just place that onto your page and it's all ready. And that's the back. That was pretty easy to do, that one. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do the heart shape one. If you do purchase these in my store, all you need to do, and you want to make the hidden clip, because you need 2 pieces, so you'll have your embellishment, and then you just need to cut another piece of cardstock and just use this as your template to create the heart for your backing. But I've got my other heart here. I'm just going to grab another heart. I'll get the silver one. So I have this one here, and then I've got my heart. Now this will be the back, which is this one. So I'll grab another clip. And what you want to do is when you slide that in, you want to have the, I think we're going to go this way. You want to have that curved bit inside the center bit of the heart here. Just like that. So you want that sitting in the middle. We're going to turn this over this way and we're going to adhere this down so it won't move. Again, making sure that your clip is nice and flush inside the curve, the center bit. Peel that off. And again, applying some glue all around the back. And grab your heart and then place it on the top and just try to get it as lined up as you can. You're going to see a little bit of the clip, and that's okay. And that is all there is to that as well. And that's already a hidden paper clip. There we go. That one's done. So that's for that one. And now we're going to make this one here with the page tab. And again, I'll do a video with different ways you can make these tabs if you don't have a tab die. And I'll go and grab this one. And what I'd done was I'd already embellished the tab for these ones, but I'm going to make some more without anything, leave it blank, and then I'm going to place my own labels on the other ones. But I wanted these ones to be embellished, and here's another one that I embellished. So you're probably best to embellish your tabs first. Just put it up so you can see. And then you grab your pieces of paper again. These ones I think were measured the same. I'm not too sure. I think it's 2 inches by 1 3/4. But again, you just measure it to whatever desired size. All right, so this will be my back. And I'm going to grab another clip. And I'm going to just place that. I like to use the smaller side for the tab one. I don't really want the larger part, the longer end of the clip. So that is what's going to be showing on the back. I'm going to turn this over now and I'm going to place the double-sided tape to the paper clip. Again, making sure that that sits nice and flush to the edge of your paper. And I'll grab my, this will be the front piece. Just going to place that. Just line it all up. Okay, and now I'm going to grab my tab. I'm going to just glue the inside, or apply glue to the inside of the tab. Probably too much glue. And I'm going to just line the edge with the edge here. Try and get it all centered. And just fold that back. And that's it. And I can embellish this later on if I wanted to later. But that's how I made the hidden paper clip with my page tab. It's pretty fun to make, and just another great way to alter these clips. And you just place it onto your page, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial on how you can alter your paper clips and create hidden clips so you don't see them. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll put the link down below for my heart shape embellishments, and I hope to see you all soon in my next video. And again, I will do these tabs with different ways as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.